Coquette Dollette Inspired Bedroom Tour. I am so excited to share this video with you. Today I wanted to share my Coquette Dollette Inspired Bedroom Tour. This is my little nightstand, and I have a little pink heart sleep mask. This is an adorable little trinket box with a pink butterfly in a heart shape. Then I have some beautiful pink candles with pink bows. A little gold mirror. My favorite little makeup bag, which is so adorable. It's very coquette and very pretty. This is my bed. I love to have some breakfast in bed, and today I have a delicious croissant with a pink rose and a pink vanilla milk chocolate. I have this adorable croissant, my favorite china, and a delicious pink hot chocolate. This is my bed. This is a little dress that I found at an antique shop. I think it's so adorable. It's my dream dress. I wish they had it in my size. It's so adorable. These are my favorite chocolates from Lotte in a pretty pink box. This is a little rose trinket box, and my favorite Miss Dior body milk. Yeah, I'm so in love with this little dress. It's so adorable with the lace and the pink roses, and I love the puffy sleeves. And this is truly my dream wedding dress. It's just so gorgeous. Yeah, I found it at a little antique shop, and then it was actually for a doll. And then I asked the lady if I could have the little stand. She said yes, and it was only £10 for the dress and the little dress stand. It's so pretty. These are my favorite beauty products and my favorite hair products. I love to use the CHIC products for my hair. They are amazing. My favorite hair oil, and I love the Ordinary products as well, and some Silk Therapy, which is my favorite for my hair. This is my Coquette Dollette Inspired Vanity. I think it looks so pretty. And my little mirror, which is so beautiful as well. All my favorites beauty and hair products, and my favorite little Coquette makeup bag. I love to have some candles in my bedroom. I just love to light some candles, especially at night. It looks so pretty. This is my favorite Coquette makeup bag. It's so adorable. It's handmade, and I got it from an Etsy shop. I will link the shop down below. And then I have my favorite pink hot chocolate in my favorite little vintage teacup with a little pink macaroon, which is my favorite little treat. These are all my favorite things that I love to have on my vanity. My little trinket box with a pretty pink rose, some delicious chocolates, which are my favorite little treats, and this beautiful dress. I think it looks so pretty on my vanity. It's just so gorgeous. I just love my Coquette Dollette Inspired Vanity. Everything looks so pretty. And I just love how it turned out. With all my favorite beauty products and all my favorite Coquette Dollette Inspired pieces. I just love the details of this dress. It looks so adorable, especially with the lace and the pink roses. I just love how pretty my vanity looks with all my favorite pieces. This is my drawer where I love to collect some beautiful Coquette Dollette inspired tops. I think they look so pretty with the little roses and all the lace. And yeah, this is my favorite corner in my bedroom. And my favorite little teacup is so pretty. I love the little pastel florals. And my little makeup bag. And my favorite Miss Dior body milk. I just love all the little details. So pretty and so Coquette and Dollette inspired. The prettiest lace dress. I think it looks so adorable. I just love this little box. It's from La Douree, and they are my favorite chocolates. Love this pink rose trinket box. It's so adorable and so pretty. I just love the products from Miss Dior. They're my favorite beauty products, and I love all the packaging. My favorite hair and beauty products. I just love how beautiful this looks. It's my favorite spot in our home. So this was my bedroom tour. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much.